There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, that's right, Sigler Elementary. It's tonight, Friday night is bingo night up here at Sigler. Be here at 6 o'clock for all of the fun and the games. We will have chocolate, we will have sodas, and we will have bingo with all sorts of fun prizes. So we hope to see all of our families tonight. Hey, we're back again. We've got Miss Tracy here with us this time and a fabulous group of 5th grade students that want to showcase what they were learning this week. So we're going to start with my man over here, Mr. Tayshawn. Tayshawn, tell us one thing you learned this week, man.
What I learned this week was the 3 properties of matter.
Okay.
Solid, liquid, and gas.
Awesome. You also learned about molecules in those too, right?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me about the molecules in those 3 things.
In solid, the molecules just stay, they move so slowly.
Okay.
But in liquids, they move a little faster.
Okay.
But in gas, they just spread out and move very fast.
Super fast all over the place, right?
I did not know that. I just learned about molecules in solids, liquids, and gases. Thank you very
Look at
much,
you teaching
Tayshawn.
adults how to do science, man. All right, Urella, you're next. What did you learn this week?
In music, I learned how to match sentences with music notes.
All right, studying and learning some music notes. You probably could help us with our bingo song at the beginning, right? I'm pretty sure we were off note a little bit, but that's okay. Tyler.
Talk to us.
What I learned this week was, in reading, I learned how to identify different genres,
Okay.
such as fantasy, fables, myths,
All right.
legends.
And I know you love to read, so give me a couple of your favorite genres.
2.
Okay.
First one, myths. I love Greek mythology.
Okay, excellent.
Second one has to be fables.
Good choice.
Okay.
That's respectable.
Do you have a specific person from Greek mythology that you like to read more about than another?
Ares. actually.
Ares, okay. And what does Ares represent, do you know?
The god of war.
Okay, well there we go. Sharona.
So,
Okay, so this week I learned decimals, place value, and comparing decimals and rounding decimals.
Ooh, rounding decimals. Okay, I happen to see some of those rounding decimals activities going on. Somebody help me out. Maybe Tayshawn, how does rounding decimals help me in the real world?
Well, rounding decimal helps people in the real world because, let's just say if you went shopping, you need to know the total and what the price is of the item that you're going to buy.
That's really helpful.
Make sure you have enough money, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Very
Like
nice.
if you have enough money to buy some chocolate. We're going to talk about that in a minute. Hang on.
hint,
All right, who's left? Who's over there? Maya.
Maya.
What'd you learn this week?
One thing I learned that was new for me was making plaster in art.
What did y'all do? What did you make with the plaster?
We made the plaster with this kind of paper that you had to put in water, and then you had to smooth it out and then put it on the mask.
So you made a mask with the plaster. Are we going to get to see these masks?
Yes.
Cannot wait. Cannot wait to see it.
All right, and my main man over there at the end, Mr. Victor.
In this week I learned about math. We learned that mental math, like you can add 125 and 36 tenths plus 96 and 100 tenths.
Okay. So if you're using mental math, you don't have to necessarily do the actual math problem. Like you can use numbers that are close to those numbers
Yes.
and do it fast in your head, right?
Like
Give
rounding.
me, kind of like rounding. Well done. Nice connection. Give me an example of a mental math problem you can do in your head like super fast.
56 and 96 hundredths plus 54 and 4 hundredths.
Okay, so what would that answer be? Like 54 is almost the same as,
It's a hard one. He chose a hard one to do
50,
mentally.
right? Okay, and like 96 is close to,
100.
so 100 plus 50 is?
Yes. 150.
There
Very
you go,
good. High
mental
five on
math,
that
boom,
one. Well done.
way to go. Hey, a couple more things we want to remind you about Sigler Elementary is bingo night we mentioned is tonight. You're welcome for our lovely song. I hope you replay that over and over again. The second thing we want to remind you about is today was Picture Day. Did y'all enjoy Picture Day?
Yes!
Show everybody your goofy smiles that you did today for Picture Day. Just kidding. You didn't smile like that, but it would have been fun. All right, and lastly, our chocolate sales are officially underway. So these delicious smelling
smell it. I think
boxes
they're
of
scratch and
chocolate,
sniff.
yes,
Hold
are
on.
available for you now. So if you have yet to turn in your permission slip, mom and dad need to know what you're doing. You get their signature, you bring that up to school, we will give you a box of chocolate. Speaking of mental math, here you go. You ready for this one? There are 30 chocolate bars inside this box. Each bar costs $2.
Okay.
So if you sell the entire box, how much money do you bring back to Sigler Elementary? $60. Mental math
Very
on display
nice.
right there. So for every box we sell, we bring back in $60. Of that $60, we keep half of it.
Okay.
So if I bring back 60 and we get to keep half of it, how much do we keep?
Sounds like a good
$30.
deal.
More mental math. There you go. So for every candy bar you sell, I get to keep $1 of it to help support our Sigler PTA and the boys and girls that attend Sigler Elementary. All right, y'all. It's been a great week here at Sigler. Where'd you go? There he is. We hope to see you again soon. Bye.
Bye. Deuces.